and this looks amazing. Yo, okay. In any case, but let's focus on this here. So this thing's got a little leaflet here, just a Reaper Frutia, Carolina Reaper. That's what it says there. Nothing else at the back. There's nothing. So yeah, but let's open it and see what it actually is and how it tastes. I'm very curious. Just want to use this opportunity as well to thank all my or welcome all my new subscribers and thank you everyone who subscribed for your support. Really, I'm asking you guys again, please subscribe, like my videos, share my videos. It's the only way my channel can go. You guys can help me to do that. Um, and I really appreciate it a lot, really, guys. So please subscribe, please like my videos, share my videos, leave a comment,